Hey everybody! Gabby Seuss, welcome. It's more Series 1 baseball time. Jumbo, 3-box, half case, number 3 for the lovely folks over on eBay. So come on over in this direction. I already got the case ready. I don't put any names up or anything, so I don't have to worry about that. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Did not even check to see if most people went both halves or only single halves. So let's find that out. It should be exciting. We will go front and back because why not? That's Jim. How you doing? I mean, it was okay. I mean, listen, it was not. It was fine. It was fine. It was something. All right. Jumbo box topper for some guy, Wander Franco. Wander Franco of the Rise. Okay, well that's that one. I am putting this all together. Yeah, Beans. I know. I was remiss. I do not do that for eBay breaks. I don't do them for eBay breaks. I mean, if you tell me your name, I can tell you who you've got. I mean, who's in. I mean, I have the list, but it's just not. Too many people kind of complain that they wished on some like privacy. I mean, for let's get this thing started. Well, I mean, with the Indians, I mean, I'm gonna. Alright, we got a Bregman, Buxton, a Hayes, and a Vlad. Check for numbers. That's weird. That is kind of odd. And Abreu, Rizzo, Chisholm, and Gill. Break 5. Let's see. I have no Garys in 3. I have no Garys in 4. I have a Gary. Yeah, Nationals. I think I got you for the Nationals in 5. If your name matches up with everything with your username and the name, I think you have Nationals in number 5, which is about 45 minutes. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, these breaks usually take about 45 minutes. Here, let me get you some. So you have like about an hour and a half. If you want to, take a nap, just set a reminder or something. Almost want to flip these things around now, but it's just going to take so much extra time to do, so I'm not going to do it. All right, a Bryce Harper, home field advantage, Phillies. The Top's answer to downtown. Got the gold foil for the San Diego Padres. Generation Now Rogers and a Rizzo 87 version. Once we get into a little flow here, we'll be all right. Silver foil Dirt for the Red Sox, not bad. A Yastrzemski die cut for the Red Sox. And the 87 Devers. Well, I have, let's see, there are some ending tonight, and then I'm starting some tomorrow for next week. There's usually at least one Wander per jumbo, so we'll go ahead and take him out. Hopefully that's not all of our Wander action. Silver foil, sorry about that. Silver foil Kelly for the Diamondbacks. A Generation Adele and an Austin Meadows 87. Gold foil Astros. A Brett, welcome to the show, and a Scherzer 87. To 222, 1252 even. John Lester for the Cardinals. Silver Kim for the Cardinals again. A Cardinals pack. Welcome to the show, Wander. I mean, the jumbos to me are easier to do with no pack stack because they put all the basically like the hits or whatever, the inserts on the bottom. Hobby pack stack that all day long. Pack stack that all day long. All right, first swatch out of this one is going to Cody Bellinger of the Dodgers. Of course, I don't have any hundreds. Why would I? Why would I have done something so smart as to open a pack before I started this? I mean, only a professional would do something like that, and I am not. All right, unnumbered Bellinger, but for our first swatch, a Castro. Gold foil rookie for the Pirates. 6-4 Mets. And a Bryce Harper. And second swatch is going to be the Pittsburgh City flag. Miami does have a city flag, and it is the most boring thing that maybe one has ever seen. It's just terrible. Terribly boring. So a Pittsburgh City flag thing there. Zach Wheeler in the gold foil for the Phillies. Acuna, greatest hits, and a Bieber 87. Silver foil, Kyle Tucker for the Astros. A Ripken, welcome to the show, and a McGill, Mets 87 rookie. So how's everybody doing today? Lovely, I'm hoping. Anything less, I'm going to be upset. Home run challenge for Pete Alonso of the Mets. A gold Gavin Sheets, a rookie for the Sox. Foot Fetish, Mookie Betts of the Dodgers. And a Kirby Puckett for the Twins in the 87 action. And our autograph had to have it because it was the last pack. Cardinals, Paul DeJong. 87 version autograph. I approve. Unnumbered. A silver foil Pineda for the Twins. Vlad Sr. in his die-cut awesomeness. And a Tim Anderson card there. Okay, let me just move the paper off so I don't knock the stack over. I made almost all my monster boxes today. I'm gonna have to buy more. All right, box number 2. Our unprotected box topper is Nate Pearson of the Blue Jays. 2 silver packs. Got a great green one. Story, a Cole, a Machado, and a Ken Griffey Jr. in green. Nice one for the Mariners. That one's 61 out of 99. Almost an eBay 101. And then just double check, because honestly, the oranges and the golds, to me, look exactly like this. Like, I can't tell the difference. So, someone smarter than myself said, hey, just check the backs for numbers. So that's what I've been doing. Henderson, Marsh, Ripken, and Sandberg. Ooh. Picture variation. Nice one for the Giants. Yastrzemski. Image variation. The image variations come up just often enough to that you don't feel like you're never going to see one. But just rare enough that they seem pretty cool, and I do like them. Silver foil for Park of the Pirates. That a rookie foil. We've got the Winker greatest hits and a Baez 87. And thank you for flipping them the other way around, Topps. You made my life tolerable, basically, by doing that. Austin Meadows, next swatch up. That is Rays. Major League Materials, obviously. Rays gold foil. Welcome to the show, Bo Bichette, and a Vidal, a rookie for the Rays. A desirable rookie, even beyond Wander. Rays are stacked. Just like almost pack stacked. Another one to 2022. Nicky Lopez this time, 767 for the Royals. Silver foil for Aaron Ashby of the Brewers. Welcome home, Byron Buxton, and Casey Mize, 87. Let's spread this out just a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. All right, silver foil Jose Ramirez for the Indians. I mean, that's $1 in the $1 in the swear jar for the Guardians. A Reggie Jackson die cut for the Yankees, and a Clemente 87. I tried so hard as I was sorting to like mentally, say Guardians every time, but I just kept calling them the Indians. I couldn't help myself. All right, gold foil for the White Sox. What is it that you need? A Bowman Generations and a Ripken 87. There is Wander in box number 2. I just try to never need anything. Like that's if I can't put it in my pockets and carry it all the time, then I just try to not ever need it. And, hey, it ain't baseball until you get a Fergie Jenkins autograph for the Cubs. Nice. Fergie is a legitimate baseball star for the Cubs. Sadly unnumbered, but nice Fergie. Miguel Cabrera, silver foil. Then the Harper Welcome to the Show and a Nolan Ryan 87. I watched this this guy. I mean, who had like some kind of like wood shop or he had like a big, a big workspace. I mean, I'm assuming it was like for his job, not necessarily just at home, but he like opened a drawer He was like, you gotta see this. And there was easily 24 tape measures in the drawer. They would get lost, and then they just buy a new one, and those would get lost, and they buy a new one, and eventually, I guess, they cleaned up and found like 24 of them. I think I personally have 4 tape measures for the zero woodwork that I do. Uh, 71, 29 out of 71. A J.D. Martinez for the Red Sox. And really, the only tape measure that I like, that I have, that I truly like, is stolen from like Home Depot, I think, or Lowe's. One of the two. It says like, don't leave Lowe's, but somehow it did. A gold Josh Donaldson, Foot Fetish for Mike Trout, and a Vlad Sr. Hey, there's the Miami Pride finally. Now, if you look at it in person, it is much less interesting, but it's still it's not a good flag. And I can say this as a Miami resident. I would love to get into woodworking, but I have neither a shop nor tools to do such a thing. Got the Matt Olson gold foil for the Athletics. 6'4", Tatis Cronenworth. It's Padres, obviously, and Giolito. It probably would be. I mean, I love, well, you probably don't have it. We have a show called This Old House. There's, like, a couple of, just, master carpenters, that always are working on, some kind of project. If you can find it, it's very entertaining to watch. And just, staggering to see, how much someone can master something. I could barely do, anything they're doing, and they're just, doing it as if they're just wiping their butts, nothing. Diaz, silver foil for the Mets. Casey Mize, Generation. And a McGuire, 87. Alright, number challenge, Freddie Freeman. I'll do this way. Robert, welcome to the show. Well, never mind. Franco, 87 version. I was going to say I'll just throw these down and then hold that one I'm going to have to sleeve, so I have to pick up the one I have to sleeve again. But then I got to top load one, so. And the Connor Wong, gold foil for the Sox. I think it's Colton's cousin. Twice removed. Alright, let me move this paper stack out of the way. And last one in number 3. Future star of the Miami Marlins, a Jazz Chisholm Jr. I've yet to decide how I'm going to get those things safely sent out, but I'm going to have to work on it sooner than later. Hey, that's me. All right, Berger, McGuire, Clemens, and Brett. No numbers. Manning, Votto, Yelich, and Judge. Also no numbers. And they wander out early in this. League leaders to 99. Vintage stock. Gonna have to do a random on that one. But we have got the Blue Jays, the Astros, and the Yankees involved. But that is a vintage stock card with the vintage logo, as one can see there. And also you can tell because it's numbered to 99. So we will do a random for that at the end of this thing. Ohtani in silver foil. A page die cut. And Acuna. And a swatch for Will Smith of the Dodgers. Jim, I have no idea. I mean, she's into basically everything. Like, she doesn't have a current thing that I know of that is a. I don't like that. A Gilbert, rookie Diamondbacks gold foil. The Judge greatest hits, and Jose Ramirez for the Guardians. Got it right that time. Got it right that time. Even a clock is right twice. Isn't that the saying? All right, Mason Thompson, silver foil, Nationals, and a Wander 2021st greatest hits. So hey, we're covering almost all the Wander inserts. And this one, and a Barry Larkin. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think she's had like chocolate milk like once. She loved it. Why I didn't videotape her trying it, but I guess. I don't know. Don't go crazy. Giants, Duscalini, silver foil. Welcome to the show, Willie Mays Hayes, and a Cody Bellinger 87 Dodgers. A gold Cedric Mullins foil for the Orioles. Baltimore for now. A foot fetish for Pete Alonso. And Darryl Strawberry, 87. autograph for the Rangers. Be honest, I don't know him. I'm not familiar with Yohel Pozo. I'm getting maybe that's his name. But, I mean, rookie star for the Rangers, catcher. You know, difficult position to play. Some say even the most difficult. Taylor Rogers, Silver Foil Twins. Generation Alonso and Tatis, 87 Padres. Numbered 1670/2022. Sager, Mariners. A Vlad 87, a Vlad welcome to the show, and a Carson Kelly, a gold foil for the Diamondbacks. Alright. I mean, now this is a flag. Detroit. And then Jox, he said he wasn't going to look at it, but that's what a flag should look like. Detroit Pride. I mean, that's fancy. It deserves to be in a holder, like Trout, gold foil for the Angels. Mitch and a Griffey 87. It's a good card. It's a good card. Silver foil for Veerling, Phillies. A die cut, come on, for Ripken, Orioles. And Christopher Bryant for the Giants in 87. All right, last pack. I mean, I know a 10 was too much to ask for on the Cowser, but I mean, it's still nice. Let's see. Yeah, so it's weird. It seems like every so often you get a second, or no, it's not a second. See if we get a second wand, or one of our case last night had 2 in 1. And it is 2. We did have 2. There's 4 of them. Yeah, 4 base. We did have 2. Yelich home run challenge. The gold foil for the Cardinals. Yeah, I know. Like, I mean, you almost wonder, like, should you have just sent it to BGS? I mean, I don't know, Sonny Gray. All right, so we had swatches for Cabrera. Will Smith, Dodgers. Chisholm, Miami. Meadows, Rays. Hayes, Pirates. Bellinger, Dodgers. We had autographs for Pozo, Rangers. Fergie Jenkins for the Cubs. And a 87 DeJong version for the Cardinals. So, I mean, just, I guess, Wander stuff if you are interested. 4 base. So 1 above our thing, and then 3 inserts of 2021, the 87, and the welcome to the show, and then also had the box topper. thank you, everybody, and I'll get this right out to you. That's it, right?